This is how I lived through most of my college life. But I won't let you make the same mistakes I did. Let's talk about natural daily makeup for teens. Before any makeup, you know what to do. Skincare, sunscreen, and only then start. Can you imagine wearing foundation to college and looking like you've taken a straight detour from someone's Shadi ka mandap? I think that's a clear step one. Keep your base fresh and minimal. I would actually completely ditch the foundation. Trust me, you don't want to fall asleep in class and find that your notebook is now a beautifully painted color of peach. Conceal only as much as you need to, especially when you need to hide the dark circles you got from turning in the assignment you pulled an all-nighter for, which in fact could have been easily completed had you started a few days early. But we won't go there. Set your concealer in place with a compact that you can carry around with you to mattify any oiliness throughout the day. For some reason, I used to think highlighter is as good as setting powder. Because trust me, my entire face used to look like a disco ball. With a little bit of time and a little bit of wisdom, I now know avoid highlighter for college. Your physics teacher is certainly not going to appreciate with a Yas queen. It's going to be more of a get out. Now blush is a whole different story. It can give you a fresh, lively look that can make you look like you actually got up at 6 a.m. and are happy to be in class. No matter what the real story is. You guys have seen how I used to do it. You all saw the thick black panda eyeliner that had absolutely no place in a classroom full of humans. If you feel ambitious enough to walk into class early in the morning with a sharp winged eyeliner, by all means, go for it. But if you're anything resembling a normal, stable person, this step is the wiser and clearer choice. Just apply some mascara. You don't know what a little bit of mascara can do. You can go from half asleep, awake till 4 a.m. eyes to good morning, I'm ready to learn something new today eyes. I can't possibly stress this enough. Invest in a brow mascara. I don't know how I walked around for years of my life with absolutely nothing on my brows. Now my forehead feels incredibly lonely without at least brushing through the brows and shaping them with a bit of brow gel. Lipstick was everything in the old days. Now we need a mask-friendly option. Lip tints and tinted lip balms are your clear choice here. Tints are better since they're usually transfer proof and you won't have to worry about mummy shouting at you for leaving your lipstick stains on the inside of your masks. Keep a lip balm with you at all times. I don't care if it's winter, summer or the rains. Your lips need hydration all year round and cracked lips are about as painful as a surprise test in class. Finally, spray on a mist, pack up your bag and you're ready to go. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.